morning to everyone. This is the origami competition. We are making each and everyone is making something. Our group mentor is Condenser. He is encouraging us to do lots of things. Now I am making a Christmas based theme. That is, I am going to make a star, Santa Claus, and feels like it could be more and more beautiful.
I am Arun Raj, BSc 20. Boat.
Okay.
Sailing boat.
Okay.
Truck.
Right.
Boat, sir. Packing tank. Ice.
That is okay.
Cameras.
Okay.
90 kids. Special needs.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Looking nice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Anuja from BHO 821. I made a swan by piece of papers. It is an origin for origami. That's all that I made of lotus flower
Okay.
and swan.
Okay. It's looking nice. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Anjali Kumari Singh from BSc D21 of Chennai's Amrita International Institute of Hotel Management. Today we had an event of Origami Japanese art of paper folding. It was conducted by our condenser and we all enjoyed really, and we all had a great time with each and every one. We learned lots of things like how to do many things, and we explored new things of paper folding, and it was a great time we had spent with our condenser. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am B. Yugandhra Berry from BSCCHA B21 batch. I done this full of origamis. I made this is my childhood memories. This is remember me as a childhood memories, and I am doing from 5th standard. I made this studying when I am studying 5th standard. I do this all origamis. So today the event was wonderful. I am interested to join this event. So I have done this all of origamis. Origamis means just fold the paper and do all of works. I do the paper just folding and interlocking system. So this is the Japanese folding method. So I done all of this. These are our dinos. And this is just folding a turtle. This is a parrot. I made this small also. This is a rabbit. Rabbit and the kids. This is the main of the Japanese. Japanese believe the dragon is his god. So that only Japanese first made this dragon. So I made this dragon.
Very good.
This is crane. This also crane. Rabbit. And Japanese also do that one things, ninja blades. This also they believe that's true. So that's only. Thank you.